Adin ba Union Home Minister ke India Amit Shah ula depli ya ka jaka penyeng bas ki bawan negi jela beper jong ka Northeast haka arpu sautrik benai naitung arjar arpwe ngiui kat hadu menta 4 pyntreikam ya ka ni ke jaka penyeng bas haka baye kren shikilat pathai khubor haka arpu artrik mentau benai nailur arjar arpwe menteri badi pej ya ketana transport udah sakiat lamare ulai thu bahau benai nohprah la ben pyntreikam ya ka Interstate bus terminus ka bedon hamawlai Mawiong na markat hadu menta ke jingtrai kaladep hadu kumba khandai phupra percent AA.
See, first thing, ISBT has already been handed over by the contractor. It's with the department right now. But there are still some paperwork which is needed to be completed with the implementing agency, that is PWD roads. Okay, so after that, there will be tenders which will be floated in regards of the canteen, in regards of the stalls, in regards of the accommodation facility there. So after all that, I think it'll take another month or two max. We are expecting by the month of December, most probably we'll be able to operate it. Yeah. So we'll be holding meetings with that, and then we'll be following it up. I know a lot of time has gone by, but then I know because of some constraints and deniable circumstances, we are not able to do it on time. But yeah, I can assure you, maybe most probably by December we will able to start it, operate it. Yeah. See, there's no such system that has been put up for that. As per now, the government will run everything. Okay, tender floating, even running these stalls and all. It will be run by private organizations, private firms, or individually by the locals of the East Khasi Hills. But till date, we don't have any, we don't have any decision that will be run, especially when it comes to flying of buses and all. Yeah, so it will be run by the government itself. This is what is the plan for now. But what we are going to do tomorrow or the after that, I think I will tell you then when something happens, if at all something happens. Yeah. 98%, I think 98%. There's still very minor work that is left. Like there are some electrification, which is a very small, very minor work has been done, and it's a kitchen. I think the kitchen of these two canteens, two or three, two canteens, if I'm not mistaken. The kitchen of these two canteens is left to be completed yet, which will that is another 2 weeks. I think in 2 weeks time it'll be done. Yeah, it'll be done. Yes. I will, but not soon. I think because I've just joined. No, I've just joined. It's just been 2 days, so I have a lot to review first. Because transport department is a very vast department, a very hectic department, I must say. So I will have to review it first, or it will take me, I think, 3 to 4 days, maybe a week's time to review all the work that is looked after by transport department, and after that maybe we'll start going for inspections. Not only ISBT, but other operational things of transport department. Yeah.